Hi, this is Dr. Deb from Dr. Deb Explains, and in today's video, I'm going to explain the difference between a surface approach, a strategic approach, and a deep approach to learning. So if you're interested in how you can learn and study better in your courses in college, stay tuned right after this. Dr. Deb Explains: surface, strategic, and deep approaches to learning.
Let's talk about a surface approach to learning, a strategic approach to learning, versus a deep approach to learning. So first of all, surface is just what it means. You're just doing surface level. When you use this approach, you're using the knowledge level of Bloom's taxonomy. And you're just doing it so you can recognize the term on a test or an assignment. So you're not really learning, you're just memorizing. It's not going to stay with you. It's not going into your long-term memory. It's going to be there just long enough until you recognize the item on the test, and then that's it. A strategic approach goes a little bit deeper than that, but not by much. So when you use a strategic approach, you kind of know what's going to be on the exam. Your teacher has told you or indicated in some way what you should know, and you set out to learn that material so that you can make a good grade on the exam. If the teacher has provided past exams or practice exams, you do those because you want to make a good grade. You're not doing it for any other type of reason other than for the grade. You don't want to keep it and use it in your career. You don't want to use it in other classes. Your only goal is to get a good grade on that assignment or that exam. So you have a strategy, a tool that you can use in order to get you there. The deep approach to learning is exactly what it sounds like. You're doing a deep dive into that content and those terms and that course because you want to truly understand it. You want to keep it for your future so that you can apply it in your other classes and in your future career. You want it to go into your long-term memory. So you're really doing a deep approach to learning the material and to studying. You know everything there is to know about it. You're doing the applying, the analyzing, the evaluating, maybe even creating. You're going way beyond just knowledge and understanding. You're doing it all, Bloom's taxonomy, and that's what it takes in order to do a deep approach to learning. Anything else is probably just memorizing with the surface knowledge or being a little bit more strategic so that you only understand the bits that you're going to be tested on, not everything, so that you can apply it and keep it.
So now it's your turn. What is the difference between a strategic approach, a surface approach, and a deep approach to learning? If you enjoyed this video and learned something, give me a thumbs up. And in the comments below, tell me what approach to learning you normally take and what you would need to do to get to a deep approach.